Hey there, I'm here with a quick update on the electronics box. Recently, I discovered a flaw with it. When I opened it up, I noticed water had condensed on the internal walls and PCBs, which unfortunately ended up damaging one of the boards. No need to worry, there is a solution. To tackle the issue of water condensation, I've decided to incorporate ventilation plugs. These little things will allow the box to breathe and reduce the adverse effects of humidity on electronics. They are designed for venting air while preventing water intake. Brilliant, right? I'm also adding a silica gel desiccant bag inside the box. I'll make sure to replace it every gardening season. Small effort, but this way we can hopefully keep excess moisture from building up. I am optimistic that these simple improvements will help safeguard our electronics and prevent any future mishaps. Thanks for tuning in, and let's hope these changes make a real difference.